Dear students, today we will study questions given on page number 121 and 123 under the heading Try These. These questions are about discount on page number 21. The first question has three parts. A shopkeeper gives 20% discount. What would be the sale price of each of these be? Question number 1. First part, discount percentage is equal to 20%. A dress marked at rupees 120. MP, short form for mark price, rupees 120. And we have to find the sale price. For that we have to find the discount. Discount is equal to 20% of 120 is equal to 20 upon 100 into 120. We will cancel the zeros and we get rupees 24. Now we will use the formula sale price is equal to MP, that is mark price, minus discount is equal to 120 minus 24 is equal to rupees 96. This is the answer for the first question. डिस्काउंट, आप जानते हैं डिस्काउंट क्या होता है? ये मार्क प्राइस है और ये डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज था, ये डिस्काउंट है. इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम डिस्काउंट. ये एक्चुअल कितना लेस किया गया, ये परसेंटेज में है. और अगर हम जो मार्क प्राइस है उससे डिस्काउंट माइनस करेंगे तो हमें सेल प्राइस मिल जाती है. Now we will try the next part of this question, B part. The discount percent is the same for all these three parts. In B part, the mark price of a pair of shoes is 750. MP is equal to rupees 750. Discount is equal to 20% of 750. 20 upon 100, percent is per 100, of is into 750. 150 is the discount. Now sale price MP minus discount 750 minus 150 rupees 600. This is the answer for the second part of this question. Now we proceed to the third part. In third part, the mark price is 250. MP is rupees 250. Discount 20% of 250. 20 upon 100 into 250. The amount of discount is rupees 50. Now sale price MP minus discount 250 minus 50 is equal to rupees 200. The second question is like this. a table marked at rupees 15,000. Question 2, marked price is 15,000 and sale price is rupees 14,400. ये प्लेस वैल्यू का कॉमा अगर आप लगाएंगे तो पढ़ना और समझना कैलकुलेशन करना थोड़ा इजी होता है. Find the discount given and the discount percentage. Okay, discount is equal to MP minus sale price. 15,000 minus 14,400 rupees 600. This is the discount. Now we have to find the discount percentage. Is equal to discount upon mark price into 100%. Discounts are calculated on the basis of always on the basis of mark price. 600 upon 15,000 into 100. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. After cancelling the zeros, we get 60 upon 50. You have to use the percentage sign. 15 1 the 15 4 the. So the answer of this question is 4%. इस टेबल पर जो डिस्काउंट दिया गया था वो 600 रुपीज है और परसेंटेज में 4% है. नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. An Almirah is sold for rupees 5,225 after allowing a discount of 5%. What is its mark price? तो यहां पर इस क्वेश्चन में सेल प्राइस गिवन है, डिस्काउंट गिवन है, मार्क प्राइस गिवन है. मार्क प्राइस हमें पता करना, मार्क प्राइस गिवन नहीं है. लेट द mark price MP be rupees X, then X minus 5% of X is equal to 5,225. X minus 5 upon 100%, is upon 100. Of is into X is equal to 5,225. 5 1 the 20 times. Now we get 20x minus x by 20 is equal to 5,225. 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 upon 20x is equal to 5,225. X is equal to 5,225 into 20 upon 19. Now we have to solve this and find the answer. First we will divide 5,225 by 19. So the first time it can go 2 times. 2 38. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 2. Now we have to make some approximation. We have to make an estimate. It is near 20 and this is near 147 times, I think. 7 9 the 63, 6 is carried, 7 1 the 7 and 6 13. 12 minus 3 is 9. 5 times, so we get 1 and 275. 275 into 20. X is equal to, multiplying a number with 2 is quite easy. First we will multiply by 2. 5 to the 10, 1 is carried. 14 1 15, 1 is carried. 2 to the 4 and 1 5, and we will place a 0 over here. So our answer is rupees 5,500. Now we proceed to the page 123. There are two questions, one on the top and one at the bottom of this page. Now we are going to attempt these questions. Page 123, question number 1. 1A. A cycle of rupees 700 with rupees 50 as overhead charges, and we have to find the selling price if profit percent is 5%. For all these questions, all these three questions, profit percent is 5%. In this question, we have to use the formula CP, which is cost price, is equal to buy price plus overhead expenses. These questions are about cost price and selling price. जब कभी हम कोई चीज खरीदते हैं और उसके साथ में कुछ खर्च होता है तो उसे हम कहते हैं ओवरहेड एक्सपेंसेस. इसे हमें सीपी में इंक्लूड करना होता है. ये रिपेयर हो सकता है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन द बाइंग प्राइस इज 700 and overhead expenses are 50 rupees. So CP is 750 rupees. Now we have to find the selling price. The formula for selling price is 100 plus profit percent in case of profit and minus loss in case of loss. Upon 100, put a bracket over here, into CP. ये फॉर्मूला हमें यूज करना होगा. 100 plus 5 upon 100 into 750. Okay, 50 to the 50 one time, और हम इसको छोटे नंबर से कैंसिल कर लेते हैं. पहले we will cancel the zeros. Okay, now we get 105 upon 10 into 75. Okay, now we can multiply and divide it. 105 into 75. 25 5 cross 35 5 3 7 5 7 8 7. We get 7875 divided by 10. So the answer will be rupees 787.5, and we have to put a zero over here क्योंकि जो पैसे हैं वो हमेशा डेसिमल के बाद दो प्लेस में होते हैं. दिस इज द आंसर. ये कॉस्ट प्राइस है 750 और प्रॉफिट परसेंट ऐड करके फॉर्मूले से हमने सॉल्व किया है, एंड दिस इज आवर आंसर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज We'll rub all this. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में भी प्रॉफिट परसेंट 5% ही है और बाइंग प्राइस है 1150 and overhead expenses are 50, so the cost price will be 1200. Now we have to calculate the selling price. The formula will remain the same. इस क्वेश्चन में भी प्रॉफिट है, सभी क्वेश्चन प्रॉफिट के हैं. 100 plus 5, the profit percent is 5% and the cost price is 1200 upon 100. 105 into 12 upon 1, we don't need that 1. 105 divided by 12. 10, 2, 5, 0, 1, 0, 6, 2, 1. So the selling price is rupees 1260. The third part of this question, a fan bought for rupees 560 buying price and the overhead expenses for repair 40, 600. Selling price 100 plus 5 upon 100 into 600. After cancelling this 0, we get 105 into 6. 6 5 the 30 and 6 1 the 6. So the selling price of fan in this part, this is the C part, is rupees 630. Now we come to the question at the bottom of this page 123. A shopkeeper bought 2 TV sets for rupees 10,000 each. He sold one at a profit of 10%, another at a loss of 10%. Find whether he made an overall profit or loss. Okay. CP, that is cost price of first television TV, is rupees 10,000. 10,000 and profit percent is 10%. SP of first TV is, the formula is 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. CP is 10,000. We will cancel 2 zeros and we get 110 into 100. So the selling price of the first television is 11,000. CP, cost price of second television set, is also 10,000 and percentage of loss is 10%. SP of second television set is equal to 100 minus 10, 100 minus percentage of loss upon 100 into CP. CP is 10,000. We will cancel the 2 zeros and get 90 into 100 is equal to rupees 9,000. Overall, get total, you can write total cost price is equal to 10,000 plus 10,000 rupees 20,000. Total selling price ST is equal to rupees 11,000 plus 9,000 is equal to rupees 20,000. Since total cost price and total selling price are equal, so there is no profit or loss. So thus there is no overall profit or loss. That's all in this video. I hope you have understood these questions well. Memorize the formulae. If you have any doubt, you can call me. See you soon with another exercise.